Welcome to the İlanpa Management Panel. In this training, we will explore the modules located in the left-hand menu and learn what each one is used for. We begin with staff management, where you can build and manage your team. Use Add Staff to create new team members and Staff List to view, authorize, and manage your existing personnel. Next is the My Account section, where you can manage all account and profile settings. Here, you can update your personal information, edit your company information, and customize your profile settings. You can also manage your address information, request account cancellation, and define the cities and languages in which you provide services. Additionally, this section includes Office IBAN management, saved cards, blocked accounts, password change, and two-factor authentication security options. In the Referrals and Points section, you can grow your network and earn points through the referral system. Share your invitation link via the Share Referral option and track all earned rewards through the Points History section. Within Partner Operations, you can collaborate with other offices and business partners. Group Management allows you to organize your partnership structure. Under Listings shared with partners, you can view the listings you have shared, while Listings shared by partners displays the listings shared with you. Listing Operations is where you manage your listings from start to finish. Create Listing allows you to publish new listings. Listings. Awaiting Offers can receive offers from corporate users, while Published Listings, Unpublished Listings, and Closed Listings help you track every stage of your listing lifecycle. Listings. Awaiting Approval contain approval requests submitted by individual users, while My Listing Requests, Sent Listing Requests, and Package Usage History help you keep all activities organized. Finally, Wallet and Purchases serves as the center of all your financial transactions. Monitor your balance through account management, add funds using Add Balance, and submit payment notifications whenever required. Purchase listing packages to acquire listing credits. Increase visibility through sponsored listings. Boost exposure with promotion packages. And showcase your office with the Sponsored Office feature. İlanpa goes even further. With the built-in messaging system, you can communicate quickly and securely with users, business partners, and potential clients, all from a single platform. The e-government integration enhances trust and security by streamlining identity verification and official processes. Our AI-powered customer reception system automatically welcomes visitors, analyzes their needs, and guides them to the most relevant solutions. Meanwhile, the AI-powered sales assistant evaluates user behavior, recommends the most suitable listings and services, and helps accelerate your sales process. İlanpa is more than just a listing platform. It is a complete digital ecosystem designed to streamline communication, verification, customer management, and sales operations. Welcome to İlanpa. All of these features are available on our website. Visit İlanpa.com, select Corporate Login, and manage your entire business from your computer, tablet, or mobile device.